Hello everyone, my name is Aneju and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your WhatsApp. So when you click on the contact that you want to check if they've blocked you, the first thing you'll notice is that you cannot see their last seen on their status. You won't be able to see their last seen or when they came online using WhatsApp. So if you don't see that, your contacts might have blocked you. Now, the second thing to look out for is to check their profile photo. When you click on this, you check their profile photo, you will see no profile photo. But it could be that your contact has removed their WhatsApp picture or they could have blocked you. But to still confirm to know if they've blocked you, the third thing to do is to try adding them to a WhatsApp group. So what you do, you go to a group that you've created. Now try adding them, add participants. Now when you click on, let's say I want to add this number that I think has blocked me, then I'll click on this. Couldn't add Mary. That's because Mary has blocked me. So the last thing to also check or look out for is using the delivery tick method. Let's say you send hi to her. When you send hi, you see you get only one tick. That's because your contact has blocked you. But it could also mean that your contact is not online. But if this message remains like this for weeks, months, it means your contact has blocked you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. Thank you.